You should have got here fucking earlier. Because Steve's claimed the fucking area next to the door.
We claimed this bit, yeah.
It feels cooler over there though for some reason.
John must be near the door in case anyone comes.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, he's happy with some turn-up back in engines and things that go to.
You make Lorenzo sets. I've got a set of the Vikings, which you can use on your own board, and then I've got a set.
There's a demon.
You being stabbed this weekend?
When you contact me, do a messenger call if you like on video, and you can really discuss what somebody wants. You know,
how much like something like that with a heart with like P and L, P plus L on it?
They need to be about
people would sit by your bedside for days, singing you over to the other side. And depending on how good a singer you were, sometimes you were very glad to pass on to the other side. So this song is about who will sing me over to the other side. The song speaks of only the raven knows where I fall, and who God and who are sleep dorme troppo surrare aval fare oh fight how good is
I'm glad you. Good job on your shoulder.
Oh, with the drum.
Yeah. Right, who's got cheap?
That's so fucking. Yeah, I saw that in Scotland. Yeah. Oh, faster!
Good job, you're a sexy bastard.
At least someone. What if it came
Yeah, this is not you.
Definitely not you.
This one's going to be interesting.
I hate when you say that.
Just give it a second.
Why didn't you take your shirt off? You could have shaved your chest hair at the same time. Oh, off the knee.
What's that? Let's knock over that one.
Yeah. This is must love the wrist action. This is must love the wrist action.
Be a bad time for me to fight one.
Just do it.
First one of it.
Hey! Don't usually do that with these ones.
Now, which college course did you go to learn that?
This is what you call being drunk, 17, and thinking, oh, that looks fun.
Go on then.
There is fire.
Yeah. Are you fucking smoking?
My two favourite beers are Champion and Top Job.
We have among us another aspiring skull. A man in disguise with a limerick that will send you to the point of orgasm with laughter. Who is this man that walks among us? I'm coming.
Yeah. Because I want to buy one of those, but if there's a challenge to make one, do you know what? If I've made it myself,
Go for it.
it'd still be the same.
Yeah. It to be, because I don't know. It could be a dog or a wolf. I'll show you.
Carry on. Carry on.
It's slightly, where it's been punched out of the sheet, it's slightly domed, and we put it, I need to go and get my glasses, but what the hell, my rear. Okay, this is the authentic Viking way of doing it. Then you place this on top, like so, and then I do little finger over the bottom die and the rest of my fist over the top die.
And then hope for the best.
And then got it, yeah.
And well, yeah, that goes for all of them. Okay, now you push down to stabilise. You have to push down on it, making sure that there's no skin between the two dies, because let me tell you, that pinches, and there will be a blood blister. Then there's £4 lump hammer, a couple of taps just to set it in. You hear the difference there?
Yeah.
And then, and this is the hard bit, because it often tips, one hard strike. Like so. And I told you this was hard. It's only half come out.
Yeah.
I thought that felt not too bad, but yeah. So that's for you to try and do better than. Okay? So
Don't use that.
No, not hard enough.
Right, let's
I want to say big thank you for all of you who attended to my watch. It's a big thank you for making me feel welcome, making me feel inclusive, involved. Even though you saw me struggling with the communication, we didn't restrict you. Mobile phone typing for me to know what everybody's saying. You all know that I'm deaf, and I have to say, I've not once felt that I miss anything. I've always felt inclusive with every step. Even if none of it down, members still came to me using their phone, or bringing me inside to the lab and trying to communicate with me from the lab. This Brotherhood, the Viking, is the one and the only one who got my heart. Because we are now a brother. We stay together, we're family. We're all inclusive, we're all equal. There's no disrespect. Everybody is respectful. It's an amazing experience that I've ever had. Going through the weekend on my own, being deaf on my own, without disability and health condition. Everybody has always, how to explain, caring, helping each other. Yeah. The experience was amazing. Yeah. But I tell you what, 2026. Not becoming slowly, it's becoming quick. Be sure you're there. Goodbye. I'll see you on the next one.